Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how you can utilize Notion, a popular productivity tool for managing your e-commerce inventory. This is the full guide for 2025, so let's get started. The first step is to create a new page in Notion dedicated to your inventory. This is where you'll be logging and monitoring all your products. The reason we do this is to have a centralized area where all your inventory data can be stored for easy access and tracking. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step, which is creating a table on your new page. This table will serve as your main inventory list. You'll want to add columns for product name, quantity, supplier, and any other details you find necessary. This helps us because it provides a visual and organized platform to manage your inventory efficiently. Next up, we're going to populate this table with your current inventory. Ensure to fill in all the details accurately. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your inventory management. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is storing each piece of information as a separate block, thus enabling easier editing and searching in the future. After your table is populated, let's explore how to use Notion's reminder feature. Set reminders for when stock is running low or when it's time to order more. The reason we do this is to always stay ahead and prevent any stock out situations, keeping your e-commerce business running smoothly. Lastly, make use of Notion's sharing feature to share your inventory page with your team. This ensures everyone stays updated and can contribute to inventory management. Let me explain why this matters. Sharing your inventory allows for better collaboration and efficiency among your team members, saving you time and avoiding potential miscommunication. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Notion for e-commerce inventory. Remember, the key to successful inventory management using Notion is organization, regular updates, and effective team collaboration. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.